Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Potato. My scientific name is Solanum tuberosum. I belong to the nightshade family, Solanaceae. Many well-known and widely cultivated plants belong to my family, including tomatoes, eggplants, and peppers. I am classified as a root vegetable. However, I am not actually a root, but an underground stem known as a tuber. There are thousands of my varieties cultivated worldwide, each with its own unique characteristics. I come in three primary categories: starchy, waxy, and all-purpose. Starchy potatoes have a high starch content and low moisture content, resulting in a dry, fluffy texture when cooked. Russet and Idaho potatoes are starchy and great for baking, mashing, and deep frying. Waxy potatoes are characterized by their low starch content and high moisture content, resulting in a firm and creamy texture when cooked. Examples of waxy potatoes include red bliss, fingerling, and new potatoes. They are ideal for salads, boiling, steaming, and dishes where potatoes need to hold their shape. All-purpose potatoes, as the name suggests, are versatile and suitable for a wide range of culinary applications. They have a balanced starch and moisture content, resulting in a creamy yet firm texture when cooked. Examples of all-purpose potatoes include Yukon Gold, red gold, white and blue potatoes, which can be used for roasting, mashing, pan frying, stewing, and soups. I come in various colors including red, brown, white, purple, blue, and yellow. In addition to starch, I contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber. I am rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. Potatoes were a life-saving food source in early times because the vitamin C prevented scurvy. Another major nutrient is potassium, an electrolyte, which aids in the workings of your heart, muscles, and nervous system. My skin contains fiber, which is important for digestive health. In general, the darker the potato, the more antioxidants it contains. The world's most expensive and rare potato is the Lebanese potato, grown in France. Purple potatoes are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which may prevent heart disease and cancer and boost brain health. I am gluten-free and can be a valuable alternative for people with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. The resistant starch found in me acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. I brighten skin, reduce dark circles, soothe sunburns, control oil, and provide anti-aging benefits. The high water content in me contributes to hydration and overall fluid balance in the body. I am native to the Andes region of South America, particularly present-day Peru and Bolivia. China is the largest potato producer in the world. I played a significant role in alleviating hunger and famine in Europe during the 18th and 19th centuries. I became the first vegetable to be grown in space in 1995. Potatoes are typically harvested when they are fully mature, usually around 2 to 4 months after planting. My plant has green leaves and produces flowers, which can vary in color from white to purple. My nickname is Spud, originated in the 19th century. The Andean region, where potatoes were first cultivated, is home to thousands of potato varieties, many of which are not found anywhere else in the world. My skin is a good source of dietary fiber, so leaving the skin on when cooking can enhance its nutritional value. The process of exposing potatoes to light can turn their skin green. Green potatoes should be avoided as they can contain a toxic compound called solanine. I am also used in the production of vodka and other types of alcohol. Due to my high content of fermentable sugars, fried potato dishes like French fries and chips can be unhealthy due to high levels of unhealthy fats. which can raise the risk of heart disease and weight gain. It's important to consume fried potatoes in moderation as part of a balanced diet. I am the third most important food crop in the world, after rice and wheat in terms of human consumption. The United Nations declared 2008 as the International Year of the Potato. You can enjoy me in various dishes. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment and share it.